Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question. It's a case-based question. Let's look at the question now. Answer the questions based on the given information. Shown below is a house of cards, a structure created by stacking playing cards on top of each other in the shape of a pyramid. Now each small triangle is made using 3 cards and each layer has one less triangle than the layer below it. Now Ankit and his friends were having a sleepover and wanted to do something fun. One of the friends suggested that they could make a house of cards. Now in the first part, they're asking you to find out. Ankit and his friends want to use 3 cards in the top layer and 18 in the bottom layer. Form an AP showing the number of cards in each layer starting from the top layer. Okay, so you can see that he's made one triangle at the top layer. So that means 3 cards were used up here. In the second layer, there are 2 triangles made and each triangle requires 3 cards. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. Now in the third row, they have 3 triangles and each using 3 cards. So totally 9 cards were used up. And in the fourth row, it's 12 and so on. Okay, now in the bottom row, they've said that there are 18 cards. According to the first part of the question, he's used 3 in the top layer and 18 in the bottom layer and you're supposed to write the AP. So in the first part, the AP is going to be equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 because we know there are 18 in the bottom row. So it's a finite AP. Now, in the second part, they're saying Ankit is planning to make a pyramid with the top and bottom layer containing 15 and 138 cards respectively. How many layers will such a pyramid have? Show your work. Now, he's decided to do it differently. Now, this time he has an AP with the first term having 15 cards in it. The second one would have 18 and so on. And the last layer would have, the bottom layer would have 138 cards. Now, how many layers will such a pyramid have? Okay, so we just have to find the value of n now. So, we know that A is 15, D is 18 minus 15 which is 3 and you know that AN is 138. You know that the general formula for the nth term of an AP is AN equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. So, 138 is equal to A we know is 15 here. So 15 plus n minus 1 times 3. So that is 138 minus 15 is equal to 3n minus 3. That's 123 is equal to 3n minus 3. Or 3n will now become 126 or the value of n is 42. Okay, so there would be 42 layers in this pyramid. There will be 42 layers. Okay, now let's look at the last part to the question. They have a total of 360 cards with them. Find the maximum number of layers that Ankit and his friends can make using the cards they have if they want to have one triangle, that is 3 cards in the top layer. Okay, so that means they're going back to the old AP. Now AP is going to be 3 in the first top layer, 6 in the second layer. Then you have 9 cards and so on. And totally they have 360 cards with them. Okay, so we know that the value of A is going to be 3 and D is also 3 here. And the general formula to find the sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 times D. So that is 360 is equal to n by 2 into 2A, 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 times 3. So that's 360 times 2 is equal to n into 6 plus 3n minus 3. That is 720 is equal to n into 3 plus 3n. Or 3n squared plus 3n minus 720 is equal to 0. Or n squared plus n minus 240 equal to 0. Now let's split the middle term. We know that the two numbers that we can take will be 16 plus 16 and minus 15 because the sum of plus 16 and minus 15 will be 1 and the product is minus 240. Okay, so let me split it. So n squared plus 16n minus 15n minus 240 is equal to 0. So n times n plus 16 minus 15 times n plus 16 is equal to 0. n minus 15 times n plus 16 equal to 0, which gives me the value of n as 15 or as negative 16. Now obviously the number of layers cannot be negative. So n not equal to negative 16. Therefore n is equal to 15. Therefore Ankit and his friends have made 15 layers. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.